Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chaya. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I want to show you creating this vibrant dark blue eye makeup look. In this tutorial, I also want to talk about how to apply dark eyeshadows on your eyelids, how to blend dark shades with light shades and get a very diffused, awesome looking eye makeup. So let's start by shaping my brows with a brow wax. This eyebrow wax is from Swiss Beauty and it helps making my brows look bushy and thick. I use my setting spray to activate this wax, and once it is usable, with the spoolie that comes with it, I brush my eyebrow hair, and with few strokes my eyebrow hair are set in a nice shape. Now I'll be using my PAX brow cream in the shade Cheddar Cream to fill my brows. If you have less hair on your eyebrows like me, eyebrow cream will be more helpful than any other eyebrow products. Because with the brow cream, it is very easy to fill up the gaps and it looks natural. The reason why I'm showing my eyebrow routine in depth in this eye makeup tutorial because shaping your brows is actually a part of your eye makeup. Well-shaped brows define the shape of your eyes. So if you shape your brows before your eye makeup, it will be helpful to place the eyeshadows on the right place. Another important step is to clean the sides of your brows with a concealer. It helps getting a sharp eyebrow look and also gives a lifting effect. But apply concealer only on the lower part of your brows and on the tail area, skipping the top front of your brows, otherwise it will look artificial. Now moving on to the eye makeup part of this tutorial where you need to put a base on your eyelids. You can apply a primer or a concealer. A concealer that is much lighter than your foundation will be preferable for this step, because the lighter the base is, the brighter your eyeshadows will be. It is necessary to have a base on to get the true colors of your eyeshadow and also for the eyeshadows to stick on your eyelid. After applying your concealer, you need to set it with a very minimum amount of powder. We do not need any coverage with the powder. We just want to set the eyelids so that the powder eyeshadows we are going to apply next can be blended effortlessly. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today is from Mars. It's their Mesmerize eyeshadow in the shade 3. First, you need to take the lightest shade from your eyeshadow palette and apply it on the very top of your eyelid and on the bottom, like below the lash line. This light color will be the transition from the dark color on your eyelid towards the skin color. That way you won't have any harsh line. To apply the light color, the transition color, you need to have a round fluffy brush. Now I'm applying the dark blue shade on my eyelids, and for applying the dark blue shade, I'm taking a flat brush and it is a dense brush so that I can get the maximum coverage from the blue shade. When you apply the dark color on your eyelid, your first motive is just to pack the color. First, you need an opaque pigmentation of this dark shade. Blending will be the second step. Now to blend this dark blue shade, I'm taking a soft, small and fluffy brush. I'm taking a small brush because I just want to blend the edges and diffuse that blue shade onto the light peachy shade I applied before. In case of a dark shade, blending takes a little more time. If you blend slowly and softly with a light hand, you'll get the best result. Quality of your eyeshadow palette matters a lot to master your eye makeup game. It's a very low cost product, but the quality is really good. Now I'm taking this magenta shade with a small dense brush and packing it on my crease line. Well, not exactly on my crease line because I have hooded eyelids and my crease line is far below. So with this shade, I'm creating a new crease line. Here also you can see that I'm focusing on placing the shade on the right place first. And then with the same brush, I'm slowly and gradually merging the blue and pink shade into each other. After blending the two shades into each other, I got a new purple shade, and that is the beauty of blending eyeshadows because you get nice gradation of colors. For stamping the shade on the right place, I use a dance brush, and now that I'm blending it, I'm taking a fluffy small brush. So to do your eye makeup easily, you need to have two sets of brushes. Some of them should be flat and dense to pack the eyeshadows, and some of them should be fluffy and soft to blend eyeshadows. After blending everything nicely, one more thing you need to do is that in the process of blending, you might lose some pigmentation of that dark lid color. So here you can apply it once again. Now I'll work on the bottom of the eye and I'm packing the blue shade on my lash line first. The same process is going on here as well. First I'm packing the shade along my waterline. And once I applied the shade, now I'm increasing the intensity and slowly I'll be blending it out too. You can connect the lash line shade to your outer corner. That completes the shape of your eyes and looks good. Now for this brown shade to be applied on the lower lash line, I'm taking a different palette because the Mars palette did not have any brown shade. This is Makeup Revolution's Mindful palette and the shades are very creamy and very easy to apply. I'm using the brown shade to diffuse the blue shade into my skin color. I could actually use the same peachy shade I applied before, but I wanted to make it more colorful, so I used this brown shade. Now on the lower lash line, I do not want to have a very vibrant pigmentation because I'll be applying mascara on my lower lash line. And if the lower lash line shades are very dark, the mascara won't be visible as much as I want it to be. Eyeshadow application is done. Now I'll apply kajal on my lower and upper waterline. Applying kajal on the upper waterline will give the illusion of thick eyelashes. Towards the end, when everything is put together now, you can reapply the shades if you need to. So here I'm reapplying the peach shade on the same places I applied before. Finally, you can apply a shimmery champagne shade on your brow bone and inner corner. These two steps are to make your eyes look lifted and bigger. Now I'll do a wing liner on my upper lash line. This liner could be as big as long as you want according to your eye shape. But I'll keep it short because I have hooded eyelids and long liners do not look good on me. Now for mascara, I'll be applying Sugar's Lash Mob Mascara. This one is for lengthening and increasing volume of your lashes. I can apply 2 to 3 coats of this mascara to get the best thickness of my lashes. Also, I apply mascara on the lower lashes only because I'll be applying falsies on the top lashes. But I do curl my upper lashes so that they get aligned with the falsies. The pair of false eyelashes I'm using is Bronson Professional's M75 lashes. The contact lenses are Olens Spanish Brown. And that's the final eye makeup look. This is how I layer eyeshadows and blend dark shades. And you can see that there is no harsh line in this eye makeup. I hope you'll follow the steps I showed today in this tutorial. If you follow the steps, you can do your eye makeup easily and in short time. If the video was helpful for you and you liked watching it, don't forget to hit that like button. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye and take care.